Celery is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals. Yellow onions contain quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and sulfur compounds that may have cancer-fighting effects. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial properties. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system and helps with collagen production. Sweet potatoes have a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against chronic diseases. Kale is packed with nutrients like vitamins of C and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. Vegetable broth is a flavorful and nutritious alternative to meat-based broths. It is low in calories and fat, but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can help support hydration,